If you're looking for information on the PosterStudio Lifetime Deal and PosterStudio Review, you've come to the right place. The PosterStudio Lifetime Deal with a significant discount, and in this post we'll share all the details of the deal. We'll cover what the PosterStudio Lifetime Deal entails, what features are included, and whether or not we think it's worth taking advantage of. By the end of this post, you'll have everything you need to know about the PosterStudio Lifetime Deal, so that you can make an informed decision about whether or not it's right for you. In today's world, you're not getting anywhere if your visuals are bland and boring. But creating fresh, eye-catching ad graphics every day can exhaust even the most talented of graphic designers. Wouldn't it be great if you had an AI graphic designer that could create hundreds of on-brand visuals in a few clicks? Generate custom social media ads with AI. Generate stunning ads to use in your social media campaigns in only a few minutes. Quickly add copy to your images with the help of ChatGPT. PosterStudio is an AI design suite that generates social media ad creatives in a few clicks. Generate dozens of tailored creatives in under a minute thanks to powerful AI. No more endless scrolling for the right Canva template or fiddling around with Photoshop. It all starts with creating a brand profile that outlines key points about your business, branding colors, and more to help the AI create customized visuals. After that, just enter a few details about what type of visual you want and the AI will get to work, minus any complex prompt finagling. Stuck on what to use as a backdrop? Access millions of images via Unsplash to make whatever you have in mind. If you're looking for something more specific, you can also upload your own background images to use in your creatives. PosterStudio also comes with powerful search options, so you're sure to find whatever you need for a backdrop. With PosterStudio, you'll be able to generate image copy to add text that seamlessly aligns with your visuals. Your text will be arranged in a headline, body copy, and CTA structure that follows best practices for boosting conversions online. Of course, if you already know exactly what you want to say, you can add your own text to the image and move on to the next step. Integrate your own images and assets into the visuals to create truly custom images for your brand. This allows e-commerce stores to integrate product photos and influencers or models to add their portraits to any creative. To help things along, PosterStudio also includes an AI-powered background remover, letting you turn any image into a clean, cut-out photo for use in all your creatives. With AI on your side, creating stunning images is a struggle of the past. PosterStudio generates social media ad creatives tailored to your brand, complete with image copy and the ability to add your own assets. Generate creatives at scale. Why are you late? Get lifetime access to PosterStudio today. One-time purchase of $49 only. 60-day money-back guarantee.